teko mar omenda mabende piny owacho siro godo sombo jopuonjre bende osebedo ka kila chieng' nade makoni kod kocha.
Erokamano, abro kwayo ni koro kama tieko ni tiyiena kata ka ng'awa nyalo wache gi dho ngere nikech minwa chieng' nyomolo bende winja ka nyada kacha tang'e ni owinjo dho ngere to joma represent kasto ma Kilifi kata across the country nikech an a committee mar research, publishing and communication of our union, and at least I make the summary of what we are asking as an education experts in this country. Number one, on the issue of the junior secondary school, we want to request our government that they may make junior secondary school autonomous from just on the administrative structure, so that those teachers teaching at the junior secondary school may be finding freedom of managing those schools in a manner that the structure was laid, so that the schools can perform as desired of the law. Currently, there's a lot of struggle at the junior secondary school, and I know the teachers are going through a lot. Please, let us harmonize on the way the schools are managed, and let us make it clear. Number two, the capitation that the government sends to these schools, and our union has consistently advocated for the government to send money to schools, because our principals and the head teachers are struggling to pay and even get into their pocket to ensure that the students remain in school. And the government keep on complaining and shouting at on the media stations that they have sent money, yet that money is not in school. And currently the challenge the HOIs are facing is changing from NEMIS to KIMS, where they are struggling to change the names, remove children from NEMIS to KIMS. As the system is being upgraded, let them use the NEMIS and send money. You cannot hold the school. We are only there for 2 months, and then you are holding the school at ransom because you want the principal to change the names from NEMIS to KIMS, whereas the children are already in the NEMIS. So use the NEMIS that the government has been using to send money to school, to send that money as the head teachers adjust. Then also on issues touching on the life of teachers and the security of teachers in their schools, and the medical insurance of teachers, which we are really facing a lot of challenges. You know, I represent, but at the same time, the Sirkal be serious on matters education. Currently, there are a lot of confusion education system. Momio katakoro like onge direction. Insurance majo punj nigichandwok. Promotion marjo punch, and we as a union requested the TSC to scrap away the CPG. Momio jo punch promotion marjo punch, you know niya kibed promoted ka ibed administration. E momina no kasani jo punch ma Nairobi, 156 of them are crying. Nikech, they must be promoted and be given a responsibility. Now, if there's no responsibility in Nairobi, they must look for where there are gaps to fill those responsibilities. Can't we scrap CPG so that a teacher is promoted, he is still in D1, but still a classroom teacher? Not necessarily that you are promoted and you must be given a responsibility maybe as a principal or as a deputy principal. If there is no space, then teachers will not be promoted. So let's scrap off CPG and ensure that teachers are promoted, but you still remain a classroom teacher without a responsibility. Otherwise, in general, our education system mar Kenya has been interfered with. Kendo Sirkal nyaka kawo responsibility mar streamlining education. La sivyo, this education